Go.
Hello everyone. Yesterday I have conducted a workshop to the engineering faculty members. It's on effective teaching methods. It's for the Aurora group of colleges. And I wanted to share some views related to the teaching methodologies. I know many of my viewers are teachers, professors and would-be teachers also. For them the points may be useful for you. So that's the reason I am taking few points. What is this teaching field, how we have to choose and how we have to teach. On this topic I am going to speak today. First of all, this teaching field is one of the noblest profession in our life. If you are a teacher, you are blessed. You got an opportunity to serve the society. You got an opportunity to change generations. Future generation by generation is going in front of you. You are just like a ticket platform in front of the railway station. And many trains are coming and going. But you will be over there and you are watching and you are seeing the progress of the people. Sometimes our students are in a very good position. They may be earning more and they may be in a good position, but we feel proud of our students. So that's the greatest quality of every teacher. And if you are a good teacher, you can do a lot of changes. And what you can do? Before that, let me tell you, whenever I conduct workshop on career guidance to the students of engineering college or otherwise MBA and MCA students, after giving guidance of what are the opportunities they are having after completion of their course, I generally give all kind of varieties, like where they can go and what are the opportunities they are having, either job or career or higher studies. After everything guidance, I'll ask a simple questions to all my students. That is, how many of you want to become a teacher? When I ask this question, surprisingly, not even a single student will raise their hand, because they know there is no growth in the teaching field. No one is liking this field. But how do we get the teachers? How do we get the growth? How do we train the people? But future is in our hands. So that is why please be careful. It is one of the best profession. Choose it, take it as a passion. Don't come just like a chance to this profession. Take it as a choice. It's your profession, it's your love, it's your subject. You love to teach, you love to handle the people, you love to mingle with the students. In such cases, that teacher will get a very good name. Awards, rewards, as well as that student will never forget the teacher forever in his life. That's the credential of teacher. And how to teach? Always please remember, go with a thorough preparation. Become expertise in your subject. Before you teach, first teach to yourself. Teach to yourself, prepare well and then give a lecture. And your appearance, your body language, everything is making a small imprint. So small print and small impact on the student's mindset. That is why always you should be like a role model to the students. And always another thing is that motivate yourself. First motivate yourself, enhance your skills, upgrade your skills and enhance your knowledge, and then go for the motivation of the students. The small words will make a lot of impact on the small tiny minds. How it is going to make impact? Whenever I train my students, I used to tell my students, go and give paper presentations. And whenever I say go and give paper presentations and speaking in front of many people, that makes a lot of difference in the growth of the student's career. So I used to tell them, some of my students, they used to give paper presentation nearby colleges, and whenever they go with thorough preparation. They used to come with a lot of awards, first prize, second prize, something like that. Then after that I told them, why you are considering yourself only nearby colleges? Go out of the colleges, go out of the state. Let me take a small example. Two of my students, they have sent a paper to the IIT Kharagpur. IIT Kharagpur they sent, and luckily their paper got selected. They were excited. They were making overwhelming enjoy and all these things. Then I said, don't excite yourself. First control your nerves. Just your paper got selected. Now what you are supposed to do? Next thing is that you have to prepare well. How to prepare? Get the material, unique material, and then prepare yourself. Presentation. Don't be conscious about the people. There are many people, very knowledgeable people, laurel and hardened people will come and they are going to do a lot of things. But don't excite yourself. Rather than being conscious about the situation and people, just be conscious about the subject and your presentation and how they have to do, how they wanted to present it. All these things I've guided them. They went to the IIT Kharagpur. They came with second prize. Just normal engineering college students got the second prize in IIT Kharagpur. You just imagine. What I have done? Simple. just motivated that you can do it, and what are the guidelines and how they have to present it. Small guidance, that's it. Like even you can do. In our country, you will find lot of areas, some rural areas, some well-grown areas, and like different kind of people are there. In some areas, teachers are not available. Whatever you can do, you can give the best. In that way, you can motivate your students. And another important thing, please remember, whenever you go to the class, don't teach the subject directly. If your class is 1 hour, just 2 to 3 minutes, spend some time saying them hello, how are you, and what happened in the last class, revise the previous class, then get them to your mood. Once if they are tuned, then get into the subject and teach them in depth. Empathetically you teach the subject. And what is the tiny mind of the students, how they are going to accept it. According to that you have to speak and teach them. Then after that, last 5 minutes, keep some time for the question and answers. And if possible, ask any students to come and speak on the same topic and revise the topic whatever you spoke that last 5 minutes. Like you can plan it, beginning and ending and then middle. In this way, if you plan it, definitely students will be very good and they'll able to remember. And your body language is very important. How do you communicate and all these things, and develop these skills and encourage the students. Internships are there, workshops are there, and in the same way project work, everything guide them. Don't misguide the students, don't discourage the students. A small motivation, a humble teacher, a small motivation which makes a lot of impact on their career. So please be careful. If you are a teacher, you will enjoy your field. So this is what I wanted to say. Dear teachers, what do you want to do? अगर स्टूडेंट को चोर बनाना है, पुलिस बनाना है, सीएम बनाना, पीएम बनाना, जो भी बनाना है आपका हाथ में है. You can do anything. So take good decisions, be a good teacher. Thank you all for watching this video. Do subscribe for more videos. Take care. Bye.